Hi guys, welcome back once again. So guys, this time I brought the opportunity from Genpact. So before we actually start the video, I just want to tell whomsoever is new to my channel, I just want to introduce myself. Guys, I'm Prakhar. I make contents on internship, scholarships, and free courses, certification, and all the necessities things that the college students should have and a working professional should has who has just recently started their career. Okay. So guys, if you're new to my channel, if you like my work, do consider, liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and, share with your friends, family, college groups so that most of the people can get benefited from this. So guys, daily I make one video. As you can see, the latest one is for research internship at the Reserve Bank of India, then free courses from ISRO, then internship by Morgan Stanley, the internship by Government of India, right? This is from Ministry of External Affairs, then best internship websites, forces scholarship, right? So can you see like how beautiful, I curated the contents and these are the genuine contents because I know what the college students need. So yeah. So now let's start the today's video. So guys, today I saw this amazing opportunity by Zenpact. Okay. So if you see, they are hiring for management trainee Python developers. Okay. Python developer management trainee. Okay. So we know that Genpact is a global professional service and solution firm delivering outcomes that shape of the future. And so let's directly, go through what they want, So inviting application for the role of management trainee Python developer. We are seeking a passionate and skilled Python developer to join our team as a fresher. Can you see this role is completely valid for freshers? Okay, so if you are new, then also you can apply for this. If you don't have any prior experience, you are in last year of your college, definitely you can apply for these things. Okay, you will work under the guidance of senior developers to design, develop, test, and deploy Python-based application. Okay. Now, collaborate with team members to understand project requirements. Now, what are your responsibilities, right? And deliver Python, scalable Python application, right? Clean, maintainable code, develop unit tests and conduct automated testing, participate in code reviews, assist in troubleshooting issues, debugging code, learn and adapt new technologies. So guys, I will tell you, Python is one of the highest demanded skills in the market right now going on. Okay. So if you are new, if you don't know, how to code in Python, or if you are currently in second year, third year, okay, this is the correct time to learn Python language. Okay. Because every company wants Python developers more or less. Okay. So if you want to learn Python and if you are not getting a good resource, so definitely you can contact me on Instagram. I will help you out. I run the courses. It's very affordable prices. Okay. You will get a full, interview trainings, placement trainings, and all those stuffs. Okay, with me. So definitely you can reach out to me in Instagram to know the about the details. If you want to learn basic Python, everything, you can learn with me. So yeah. Now, what are documents in development process? Now, what are the qualifications it's needed? Bachelor's degree in computer science. That means currently, if you are in last year, definitely you can apply because you are going to complete your bachelor's degree, right? Or if you have already passed out, if you are working somewhere with around from last 2 3 months or last 1 year, definitely you can consider and looking for job switching. Definitely you can consider applying for this. Okay, then you should have a solid understanding of Python programming and object oriented design. So guys, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि ओप्स कॉन्सेप्ट और डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है राइट. सो कोई भी इशू हो डेफिनेटली आप लोग मेरे से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो राइट. एंड Django, guys, Django is one of the framework of Python. So if you have this thing, then very good. Basic understanding of front-end technologies, ability to work with collaborative, and then strong problem solving skills and excellent communication skills. Okay. So if you have prior internship, so बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. If you should have exposure to version control system which is Git, and you should exposure to database management system. So कोई guys database में भी अगर कोई issue है, you can definitely contact me. और अगर आपको कुछ पढ़ना हो तो आप मुझसे contact कर सकते हो through my Instagram, right? So guys, this is one of the best opportunity which I can see. This is one of the largest firm, Genpact, right? Definitely come. I will push this link in a डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आओ उसमें अप्लाई करो गाइस. देखो अप्लाई करने में हमेशा कहता हूँ मन कुछ नहीं जाता गाइस. डेफिनेटली अप्लाई करो, सबके साथ शेयर करो जिसको इसकी नीड है राइट. यू डोंट नो, यू नेवर नो कब आपका रेज्यूमे सिलेक्ट हो जाए, आपका कॉल आ जाए. दिस विल कंप्लीटली चेंज योर लाइफ राइट. सो इफ यू सी, दिस इज प्राइमरी लोकेशन इज गोइंग टू बी गुरुग्राम. And guys, so last date, unposting date is
August 15. सो गाइस मेक श्योर, आज 12 अगस्त से मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ, इसको आज ही अप्लाई कर देना, जिसके देखो तुरंत शेयर करो ताकि सब लोग इसको अप्लाई करें गाइस। दिस इज वेरी गुड opportunity. I don't want any one of my followers, any subscribers, or anyone should miss this. सबके साथ शेयर करो guys, and guys definitely या अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है प्लीज मेरे वर्क को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए गाइस। आई विल गेट समवट मोटिवेटेड एंड ताकि मैं आप लोग के लिए सब वीडियो बनाता जाऊंगा, और मैं डेली आपके लिए कुछ ना कुछ अपडेट ऐसे ही लाता रहूंगा गाइस। बहुत एफर्ट कर रहा हूँ गाइस, जेन्यून चीज़ ढूंढ रहा हूँ, राइट। सो एक छोटी सी चीज़ मांग रहा हूँ, ये मैं आप लोग से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ, राइट। सो प्लीज कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग इट, लाइकिंग माई वीडियो, शेयर एट as much as you can, okay? Thank you so much.